Hey guys, it's Larry Law from Vancouver. I'm an internet marketer and I'm so honored to be part of Steven's Kingdom Money Mastery program. Just like you probably have been trying to create a passive income, I have tried to create a passive income for the past several years. I've tried building SN websites, I have tried selling ClickBank products online, and Steven's Kingdom Mastery program is the only program that actually makes me money, that helped me generate a nice passive income online. That's right. This program shows you step by step, very detailed, from how to select a niche to promoting to outsourcing, and it's very systematic. It's awesome. So I think if you are like me that want to create a nice passive income to substitute your day job or to give you more time, more freedom, Steven's Kingdom Money Mastery system. Get it, man. If you follow step by step the system that he created, I guarantee that you will make money. Have fun.